Live stream options. Each option will be shown with two cameras, a nice camera, and maybe a mid-range camera. And then I'll even maybe mention a third camera, which can be somebody's GoPro or cheaper camera. Although this option will not become possible if we have our computer and mixer far away from the cameras, like in the sacristy. Then the sort of connection these cameras do will not suffice, and we'll just need two of these. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and assume that for now we can record from a pew or from a corner somewhere and not have to be very far out of sight. Now, these cameras will need to be connected to our computer using one of two methods. I'll do option one, which is my preferred method, and that is using a mixer. So at this point, we basically take three cameras and connect them to our mixer. And then we need one more thing, which is called a capture card that goes into the computer. And over here we have an external monitor to see what we're doing. And then there is the audio portion, which will require a mixer to patch into our existing PA system, add a couple microphones for the choir and organ, and maybe for a cantor / soloist. The reason I like this method is basically the operator will really see just this box, and then they'll hit a new camera angle and either hit the cut button, which will immediately take them to the new camera view, or auto, which will have a smooth transition, and they can also transition to a title screen or maybe even a tithe screen. Just wanted to repeat one more time that if these lengths here are over 50 feet or even 40 feet, depending on cable length, you're going to need to move to the professional camera to use a better connection here. So if you have all this stuff here in the pews or in the corner somewhere where they can have short lengths, then this setup will work fine. If not, we will need more of these cameras to have those larger lengths. Option 2 is a little different. We get rid of the screen, we get rid of a mixer, the video mixer is gone, and we sort of take a different approach altogether by using one camera and one capture card connected to the computer. And because at this point we run out of USB ports, other cameras are not an option anymore. So we have camera, capture card, computer. For audio, we use the camera itself. So we're just going to connect the PA to one camera, and then we would connect possibly a mixer and some other microphones to another camera. And because we've done it this way, we could actually just go for two nice cameras and then have this sort of simplified version here. And the disadvantage would be that you would be stuck with probably two cameras until you go back to option one.